Do you want to learn how to edit PDF for free in your laptop or PC? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF using a free resource. If you use a lot of PDF file, then you might want to watch this video till the end. I'm not only going to show you how to edit PDF, I'm going to show you how to merge the two PDF files or more than two PDF files, as well as how to convert PDF to Excel, Word, or PowerPoint. And also, if you have problems sometimes uploading big PDF file to certain website, this video is for you. Now, usually when we want to edit PDF file, we will use Adobe Acrobat Pro. Okay. Now, you can read PDF file. You can read PDF file using Adobe Acrobat, but if you want to edit, then you must use this Pro version. Now, here to show you the Pro version, it has many functions, okay, like edit any files, the wordings, how to sign, okay, how to merge the PDF together, right? Now, but this will cost you around, let me see how much is that. Yeah. Now over here you can see if it's ringgit, it's 94.2, okay, per month, which is like close to $20. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Acrobat Pro. I'm going to show you one resource that you can use to do almost the same thing as this Acrobat Pro, but the good news is it is free. All right, let's go into this website and let me show you how to edit the PDF. Now, this website is called I Love PDF. Yeah. Now, it is a very comprehensive tool, and so you can see these are all the functions. Okay. So let me show you the first one is how to edit the PDF. So let's click on this edit PDF. So once you're in here, you just want to drop in your PDF file. Let me show you or drop one of my examples. Okay, this is just an example PDF file. All right. So let's say you want to edit this file. Okay. So I want to add some text. So I can add some text right over here. So let me drag it over here, and then I can type it right over here. Okay. And you can change the file size and even the fonts. Yeah. You want to change the font, you can do that. You can adjust and I make it bold. With spelling errors. Yeah. So now you can add this, and if you want to add photos, by all means, you can add photos. Okay. So just put an example. This is my photos. Okay. I just want to put it somewhere over here. It's totally up to you. How would you want to do it? Yeah. And now you want to draw something, you can do that as well. Let's say I want to draw this. Okay. I don't want it in black color. So I will remove it and then change to red colors. Okay. Then I can basically like annotate, highlight these areas. Or sometimes you want to put marking, you can do all that. Or you just want like a nice, okay, yeah, I can put it right over here. Circle, I can change the color. Let's say this is a border for it to be something transparent over here. See, I can highlight here. So this is how you can edit. And you can see all this thing, right? The element, if you don't like this, let's say I don't want this, let me see, okay? So you don't want this, let me remove it. Yeah, it's removed, okay? So this is how you can edit the PDF. Once you edit, click here, edit PDF, and then you can download the file, right? As per what you edit. So how simple is that, right? Now, next I'm going to show you how to convert the file. Let's say I have this PDF file. You can actually convert it to Word file, PowerPoint, or even Excel, right? So here, let's say open it in, okay, convert it into PDF. So select the same file, Now we'll go over here and then I just convert it to Word file. And once done, just download it. Okay, simple. So once downloaded, you can actually open in Microsoft Word. So you can see here, it's all in Microsoft Word. And you want to edit, you can actually type anything like just normal Microsoft Word. Yeah. So this is how you can convert a PDF to Word and edit on it. Now, by the way, my screen is on dark mode, so that's why it looks black or dark. Okay. So let me turn off the dark mode and you can see. Okay, so this is the normal mode, right? And you can just add on. Yeah. So this is how you can convert PDF to Word or to Excel or to PowerPoint. Now, next I'm going to show you one of the useful function, which is merge PDF. So over here, merge PDF, very simple. All you need is select multiple PDF file. And so you got to choose two, and then you can just merge it, right? And before you merge it, you can actually change the sequence to the right sequence and then click merge and then download it. That's it, so simple. Okay. Now, finally, let me go to the last one and show you. Now, there is a lot of other functions. By all means, just go there and try it. One of the great functions that I frequently use is compress PDFs, especially some of the website that you want to upload the PDF file. They only allow maybe like 2 meg. If your PDF file size is too large, so come over here, select the file, and click on it, and then select your compression. Okay, for me, usually recommend compression will be good enough, and then click compress and download it. That's it. Then your file size, you will get a smaller file size PDF file so that you can upload to the website. This will give you some pictures of these useful tools that I use frequently. It's called I Love PDF. Go try it and tell me how it worked out for you, whether it is helpful or not. I hope this video will show you how to edit your PDF file so that you can improve your work productivity. Now, if you like this type of productivity video, I'm Andrew, and I focus on creating productivity-related video to help you to become a high-performance leader. Now, if you like this type of video, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you will be notified. Meanwhile, here's some other video that's created before. I hope it will help you as well. And if you have any other topics that you want to learn, do leave a comment right below. I'll see you real soon in my next video.